I'm Chad, and right now we are on our way to OC Motorcycle for what I believe is their first ever Italian bike night. Now they've invited owners and enthusiasts and fans of Italian motorcycles out to show off their prides and joys and check out other people's beautiful motorbikes. I understand there will be some snacks, prizes and stuff, so it should be cool and fun. I haven't been to a bike night in probably like 5 years. It's kind of not really my scene in most cases, because I prefer to do stuff like this. Oh boy. I did go to bike nights when I first started riding, but after a while I developed a close group of friends that I was riding with regularly, so I just kind of didn't really see the need. I also tend to prefer to keep things a little bit more intimate with just a few people to hang out with and talk to. I feel there's just generally better conversation that happens that way. But I'm excited to see what kind of crowd this bike night brings out, and hopefully meet some new faces and see some beautiful machines. Should be a good time nonetheless. Shouldn't have taken the freeway. This is a horrible idea. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to try to get off here, actually. Oh, I don't think I'm going to make that exit. Nope. Take the next one. So naturally, being that this is an Italian bike night, I am bringing my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory to share with others and possibly talk about. I know that I love Aprilia V4 motorcycles and really just all Aprilia motorcycles, so I'm hoping to see some other Aprilias that show up to represent as well. Great to see some RSV4s, even some old RSV Miles or RSV 1000s, even a Tuono 1000 before the Tuono V4 that was a 1000. I also adjusted the preload on my front end today in addition to cleaning my Tuono. I noticed that I was bottoming out the zip tie that was on the fork tube, probably from doing little stoppies like that, but also suspect that may have been creating front grip issues for me, such as when I was at Butt Willow and tossed the front twice. Luckily I didn't end up on the floor, other than my knee, but it'd be good if that never happened again. Although based on that quick peek at the zip tie, I'm thinking I'm probably going to need a little bit more preload. I'm excited for this right now. I hardly remember what it's like to go to a bike night or a bike meet like this. I spend my time either riding with friends, making videos for you guys, going out on a couple solo cruises just to feed my own soul, or at the racetrack. So this is definitely outside of my typical realm of motorcycling activities. But it should be a good time. Body position, brake, downshift, trail brake, off the brakes, open the throttle, accelerate! We're here! Parked next to this guy with the 210. Mind if I join you? Sure. So we're going to do a slow race. Never done one of these before, but I feel like I'm pretty comfortable in the 210, so see how it goes. Maybe win a gift card. That was hard. Oh, the Vespa's gonna kill it. It's a good one. Oh. Alright, so the slow race was fun. It was my first ever and I did terrible, but there's a lot of motorcycles here that we can check out and I can show to you guys, so let's do that. Got the Triumph Daytona 765 Moto 2 Special Edition, all carbon fiber. Absolutely gorgeous. Really is a shame they stopped producing these in volume. Just the Daytona 675R. It's an awesome bike. So we've got the MV Agusta F4. Now that is an exotic Italian motorcycle at its finest. I've always loved how MV Agusta does the individual exhaust pipes for each cylinder on the motorcycle. Even though they all collect somewhere and then come back out this way, it still just looks really cool. That single-sided swing arm. Beautiful bike. Got a scooter over here, Vespa. Vespa is freedom, Vespa is life. Got the Tuono R, classic. Crazy to think how much technology's advanced in the last 20 years or so. This is where my bike started. There goes a 996 Ducati Classic. I don't know what this is. MV Agusta Stradale? Some kind of sport touring bike. Badass though. Ducati Scrambler. Their MV Panigale V4S. The Dragster 800 with the transparent clutch cover, again with the 3 pipes. MV Agusta Triple Sound, something sweet too. Another Dragster right there. Hyper Motard SP. Got the 959 and the MV Agusta F3. I love that blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Everybody rolling out. Ooh, that's a beauty. A lot of great bikes. All right, that was a blast. I had a great time. Thank you, OC Motorcycle, for putting on a great bike night. It was a really good turnout. I didn't really come into it having any expectations. I thought that it was their first time doing a bike night like this, and I was right. And it was great. Super awesome selection of motorcycles. Lots of really cool people. Everyone I talked with was super friendly. Made some new friends. Had a good time. The Tuono got some attention. Had some good conversations with people about it and just the type of riding that I've done with it. My tire boogies were noticed, which was cool. There were a lot of other beautiful Italian and non-Italian motorcycles there that got an equal amount of attention. So it was a great turnout. Lots of cool bikes, lots of cool people. Would definitely recommend the next time OC Motorcycle puts on an event like that. And drop a comment below. What do you think about bike nights? Do you go to a lot of them? Do you have a good time when you go? What kind of crowd do your bike nights attract? I really like the crowd at this one. Let's get conversational up in here. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you gave me a gentle little click of the like button. Helps to get my videos recommended so that we can share this motorcycling lifestyle with the rest of the internets, make more friends. If you enjoy motorcycling content, check out the rest of my channel and my other videos. I also have a Triumph Daytona 675R that is a dedicated race bike, and I've got videos of me riding it on track and racing it, actually racing it against other people, although I'm not that great at it yet. Got videos of my Tuono V4 factory on track, and a couple videos with my Yamaha WR250X Supermoto, which I try to learn how to wheelie and do some little skids. So lots of motorcycle stuff. If you want to see more, appreciate it if you subscribed as well. And if you do, turn those notifications on. Find out every time I post a new video. Well, that's going to do it for me with this one. So thanks again for watching. I sincerely hope you enjoyed. and I hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.